How to fix unusual activity detected problem in ElevenLabs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unusual activity detected problem in ElevenLabs. This issue typically occurs when the system flags suspicious or abnormal behavior, such as generating too many voices in a short time or accessing your account from multiple locations. To fix this, first log out of your ElevenLabs account, then log back in to reset the session. If the problem persists, check your account's recent activity and ensure there's no unauthorized access. Finally, contact ElevenLabs support if you believe the issue is in error, and they'll assist in resolving the problem. Now that you know how to fix the issue, you can get back to using the platform without disruptions.